Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to Sangeet Sadhana Kendra. My name is Ajay Jha. In this video, I am going to record Kabhi Ram Banke, Kabhi Shyam Banke, Chale Aana Prabhu Ji Chale Aana. And if you never played harmonium, I can tell you, still you will be able to learn this bhajan. Start today. Many students, they ask me that what's the age of learning? I can tell you. If you are 70 years old, 75 years old, still you will be able to learn, and not only learn, but you can achieve the goal also. Obviously, if you are above 60, 70, then your achievement can be a small gathering. Means, in a small gathering, you will be able to sing, and you can prove that you can sing nice. Just little patience and little focus. Okay, so let's start this bhajan. And one more thing before I will start, I will request you, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification anytime when I will upload any new videos. Okay, and this Kabhi Ram Banke, Kabhi Shyam Banke, I will record in 3 parts or 4 parts. First part I am going to record Sthai and 1 Antara. Second part I will record all Antaras. Then third part I will record the music, filler, interludes. And fourth part I will sing bhajan from beginning to end with rhythm, and you will be able to understand. So go step by step, don't rush. Until you didn't get confidence on first part, don't do complete thing in rush. Because if you will keep patience, you will be a better singer. You will get everything with confidence and proper way. Okay, let's start this. And this I am recording from F sharp. This will be the Sa. And from here I am going to record. So I believe that this will be good for the male people. And some female also will be able to sing if their voice is going to Ma or Pa. This is a Pa and Dha according to this Sa. So if you count this C sharp and D sharp, so if your voice is going C sharp and D sharp, then you will be able to sing very well. Most of the time, 99%, male people has the voice of this. So you can be able to play and sing. Let's start. Very slow. Kabhi. And one more thing I want to tell you, my voice is not too good today. So I'm going to sing with this little hoarse, voice is little hoarse. So forgive me for that. Kabhi Ram Banke. Notes according to this Sa will be the Kabhi Sadha Ram Sa Banke Re Ga. Again. Sadha Sa Re Ga. Sadha Sa Re Ga. Chale Gare Aana Sa Ni Prabhu Ji Ni Sa Chale Re Ga आना, रे रे सा 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 सा. Now, in flow little. कभी राम बन के. You have to focus which word I am playing on which notes. If you focus that, you will be able to get it. I'm playing very slow, so it's not hard. Kabhi, two note. Kabhi Ram ban ke, kabhi श्याम बन के. चले चले आना प्रभु जी, चले आना. कभी राम बन के, कभी श्याम बन के. चले आना प्रभु जी, चले आना. So this is स्थाई. Now antara. तुम सा सा राम सारे. If this is the sa, then this will be the pa. Tum papa ram padhama roop magare me rega. This is komalga. Rega आना, रे रे सा 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 सा. तुम राम रूप में आना. Once again. तुम राम रूप में आना. सीता साथ लेके, धनुष हाथ लेके. चले आना प्रभु जी, चले आना. Okay, and this one paragraph, one asthai and one antara, if you practice this properly with confidence, then I can tell you, you will be able to play all antaras. Because all antaras is same. They are completely same. Okay? So, practice asthai and one antara with full confidence. Now, little bit flow. I am going to sing a little bit in speed. Kabhi Ram ban ke, kabhi Shyam ban ke, चले आना प्रभु जी, चले आना. कभी राम बन के, कभी श्याम बन के, चले आना प्रभु जी, चले आना. तुम राम रूप में आना, तुम राम रूप में आना. सीता साथ लेके, धनुष हाथ लेके, चले आना प्रभु जी, चले आना. कभी राम बन के, कभी श्याम बन के, चले आना प्रभु जी, चले आना. So this is the bhajan composition. So focus on that and very slowly practice it. And when you feel that you memorize properly everything, then you can start in flow, in speed, little bit speed up. Okay, so do this practice, and I will see you in the next video, maybe with Kabhiram Banke part 2. And before I will take off, I will remind you again, if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also. And when you watch any video, please express your feeling, means put your comments, and because your comments is encouraging us to do more work for you, and we feel that somebody is watching you and somebody is taking benefit of that videos. So we feel that if we are doing any hard work to describe the bhajans and notes and anything, then somebody is getting benefit with that, then we feel better. Okay, so please comments, and put your comments all the time, and see you in next video. In meantime, take care of yourself. Thank you very much.